guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today is actually the last day of classes for this semester. I just literally feel like this semester went by so incredibly fast. Like, I can't even believe that we're already here. By the way, today's weather is just so ugly. It's literally thunderstorming. Definitely expect a lot of rain today and thunder in the background. The point is, like, it's final season. I'm stressed out internally. This morning I did my regular morning routine. I went to the gym because that helps me a lot, especially when I'm like stressed out. I basically just did 12-3-30 by Lauren Giraldo. I feel like all of you guys probably know what that is now, but basically you walk at the speed of 3 for 30 minutes at an incline of 12. I was actually doing it wrong at first because I would hold on to the machine while I was walking. And then literally like a week or two ago, I realized that I'm supposed to just not touch the machine at all because then that cancels out what you're working out. I went to the gym, I came back, showered, got situated, got sort of ready. I still look pretty rough, not gonna lie. This is as good as it's gonna get for a day that I'm just like inside, that's raining and it's just thunderstorming. I also did have a last class for one of my like fashion apparel classes at 12:20. It was just a very chill class. I turned everything in for that, so I'm good with that class. In a few hours, I'm actually gonna go get my COVID shot for the first time, the first dose. I literally spent weeks trying to figure out if I should get it or not, only because I've never gotten COVID. But at the end of the day, I decided that I am gonna get it just so my parents will be more protected. Over here in Georgia, they're basically gonna be opening up like things normally next semester. I want to feel protected as well, especially because I haven't gotten it yet. And hopefully I just don't have to go through that at all. I just feel like people are going to be going out a lot more, traveling this summer. Like, it's everything I see on TikTok. I just want to be prepared, so I'm going to go later to get my first dose and my boyfriend is going to come with me. That's like my little update, my little spiel. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Without further ado, let's go on and get started with today's last day of college vlog for this semester. So first thing that I wanted to do was just to unbox a few things that I got from Target recently. I already took them out of like the actual packaging and whatnot because I needed some of these really badly. For the longest, I had gone to like several Targets looking for this mouthwash. I couldn't find it. If you guys haven't heard of this mouthwash before, it's the one by the brand TheraBreath, and this one is the sparkle mint flavor. This brand of mouthwash was completely sold out every time I would go to Target. TikTok honestly probably blew it up because that's how I found out about it. I will say this is more pricey compared to like other standard mouthwashes, but this actually truly does work. I feel like every time I use this in the morning, like I will not have bad breath at all throughout the day until like the nighttime, which is like normal. So because every time I was going I couldn't find them, I ended up ordering 2 of them. So now I'm like pretty much stocked, hopefully until the end of the year, because yeah, those were just like a struggle to find, but I ordered those. I also needed deodorant, so lately I've been using like this spray deodorant and I just used the one by Dove. This time I got the Caring Coconut scent. Pretty standard, nothing too exciting, but I figured I'd show you guys. And then the last thing I ordered, I didn't technically need this, but in order to get free shipping I needed to spend like $35, so I just went for it. This is actually a Rick and Morty shirt, you guys, from Target. It was only like $12, I believe. I actually got this in a size extra large because I'm planning on using this as a pajama shirt. I loved this one because it literally has all the characters, for the most part, like all the main characters. But I seriously love this show so much. I feel like I recently fell in love with it. I'm definitely new to it, but I just like instantly fell in love with it. It's just basically so funny and it makes my day every time I watch an episode. And yeah, I'm excited for their new season to come out this summer, I believe. It's funny because my boyfriend actually got me into Rick and Morty, but I know Madison Beer really loves it as well. So I was like, you know what, just because of her, I'll give it a try and I'll watch it. Literally obsessed. And yeah, this is my little Target packaging, so nothing super exciting, but I feel like the mouthwash is definitely kind of fun to talk about. Okay, so this might be kind of random if you guys are under 21, but if you're over 21, I actually recommend that you guys try out these cacti seltzers by Travis Scott. I did have a pack of them, but now I only have like 4 flavors, and it comes with lime, strawberry, and pineapple. Some people really don't like the taste of them, and I agree, like it definitely isn't like as good as other seltzers, but honestly, honestly, they probably have better ingredients compared to like other seltzers, and they're also 7% alcohol when White Claws are 5% alcohol. I'm probably gonna keep repurchasing these, maybe not as often as like White Claws, but like I still kind of do like them. I'm sorry if this was kind of random for you guys if you're under 21, but yeah, this is a college vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in my bar cart. I actually told my roommates that whenever I move out, I'm gonna bring my bar cart with me. It's from Target. I think it's so cute, and it has like this top section as well. I just dusted my bar cart, and I kind of just ended up putting my cacti down here. I also completely forgot that I have this book that I got on Amazon. It's called The One Bottle Cocktail, and basically you just need one bottle to make each of these drinks. I kind of want to try one soon, not gonna lie, but I completely forgot that I had it. This one looks so good. So this is my bar cart update, not that you guys care. We are actually on our way to Kroger now. Earlier I was gonna meal prep, and I ended up just editing a video that's actually gonna go up later today. It's like a life update video. I literally spilled the tea on everything from like what my major is, how I've been liking Kennesaw ever since I transferred. What else did I talk about? I did talk a little bit about me moving out soon, because that's gonna be happening very soon. I basically just spilled the tea on a lot of things going on in my life right now. So yeah, go watch that video. I haven't done a video like that in like a while. I was editing that, and then now Andres and I are on our way to Kroger. We're gonna get the COVID vaccine. Yeah, I guess we'll catch you guys up when we get there. You guys, it's literally raining so bad, and we literally have to walk all the way to the Kroger over there. I don't know how we're gonna do it. Like, it's gonna be a mess. Okay, we have to go. We have to go. Oh shit!
Put your camera in put it in my jacket.
You guys, I literally got soaked. Look at you. Oh my god. Just found the pharmacy. Okay, so we just got our shot put in. Also, my hair is literally so wet because of the rain. I got it on my left arm. You got it on your left arm. He's being so dramatic.
I'm injured. Let me show him. Ow.
They gave you the adult band-aid. It really didn't hurt when she like put it, and it was so quick too. It took longer to process your information than to actually get the vaccine. Also, I'm kind of debating buying this little fluffy, literally at Kroger, you guys, and it's $5. It's like a little pouch. I think it's so cute. Like, I kind of actually want to buy it. And then I saw these super cute little erasers. This one is like a little piggy, and this is a little cow, and this is a little horse. I feel like these are so cute. And then there's also this pack as well, the elephant, panda, and giraffe. So I don't know if I actually want to spend the money, but it's really cute. I wouldn't even want to use them because they're so cute. So I'm gonna think about it, but the one I definitely kind of do want to buy is this one, so we'll see. I'm back home now, clearly. I just left a little bit earlier. My arm is honestly so sore. When I first got it, I didn't feel anything like at all. Like, it didn't even hurt. But now my arm just feel a little bit more sore. Either way, I have had a very productive afternoon. I had dinner, and then I actually finished editing my little life update video. So right now it's exporting. But yeah, so I'm very excited for you guys to see that video. I made the thumbnail. Wait, you can't even see that. I actually made the thumbnail yesterday, and this is kind of what it looks like. It's literally 18 minutes long, and I tried cutting it so much, but I just accepted like it has to be a long video because I have so much to say. I'm actually about to take my quiz for my visual communications class. This is my last quiz for that class. I'm so grateful that that's over with. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that right now, and then honestly I'm so tired, so I'm literally just gonna do my quiz, take my makeup off, and literally knock out. Like, last night I slept so late editing that video, like the first cut through of it. I have had an interesting start to this week already, but at least I got my COVID vaccine. I'm gonna go ahead and do this quiz so I could get it over with.